If you don't have time to visit our factory, no worries. I will introduce our factory today from one station to the third station. Our factory is 150,000 square meters, so I need to use this car to accompany with me. This is our first station, our showroom. Let's go. JC Sportline, our logo, shows that each letter has a meaning. Different product types used in automotive industries. This area is for the electronic parts. This is motorcycle parts. Our second station, warehouse. Our warehouse is more than 10,000 square meters with 20,000 pieces stocks. All the products are located in its own booth. It's organized very well, easy for you to find the products. This is our packing area. Here is the carton packages. This is our shipping area. We ship the different packages to the global, more than 200 packages every day. This is our wet carbon production line. This is a wet carbon inspection room for the final product quality of the wet carbon. Just we checked the warehouse, the packaging area, shipping area, and the wet carbon process production line. Now we will go to our new production line for the autoclave, the third station. Our third station, autoclave dry carbon production line. This is our carbon fiber cutting machine workshop. 3 layers, just 2 layers only. Here is the last one. This area is for the vacuum. This is our autoclave machines workshop. Let's show. This is our demolding area, and all the molds will become here after vacuum. This is our dry carbon final product quality inspection room. This is our sanding area. This is our dry grading workshop. Because I am not authorized to go into the painting room, so just see from outside. It's very clean inside, you see? This area is amazing. This is $2 million painting room, oven room. You know that the quality depends on the good, clean painting workshop. This is our polishing area. This is our last station, engineering workshop. CNC database to monitor your project. You see that when it will be ready for your project, so it's transparently tracking system here. This guy is preparing the CNC mold drawing. So many CNC machines. This is mold workshop. So many molds to be produced here. After 2 hours introduction of our carbon factory, are you interested in visiting us? You can make a reservation with Sandy.